Contractors. If you're tired of chasing leads, GoHighLevel can automate the entire process and keep your pipeline full. Here is how. Start with a professional landing page that showcases your services, roofing, remodeling, electrical, whatever you offer. And make sure it includes a clear call to action like get a free quote. Now to capture leads fast. Use GoHighLevel forms or surveys to grab names, phone numbers, and job details. The goal is to qualify leads right at the entry point. Set up a text and email automations that instantly confirm their request and nurture them until they're ready to book. No more missed opportunities. Now, add GoHighLevel's calendar so homeowners can book consultations on the spot, saving you hours of back and forth. Check your dashboard to see exactly how many leads turned into jobs, and adjust your funnel to maximize results. That's how contractors can use GoHighLevel for reliable lead generation. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more videos like this.